Hello everyone, welcome to practice set 6 of Community Health Nursing MCQs for RRB Staff Nurse exam. So let's get started. Which of the following organisms is most commonly associated with foodborne botulism? Correct answer is B. Clostridium botulinum. Clostridium botulinum produces botulinum toxin, which is a powerful neurotoxin causing paralysis. It thrives in anaerobic low acid environments like improperly canned food. Next question. What is the primary symptom of staphylococcal food poisoning? Correct answer is C. Vomiting. Staphylococcus aureus produces enterotoxins that act directly on the intestinal lining, leading to quick onset of nausea and vomiting, usually within 2 to 6 hours. Next question. Which food item is most commonly associated with Listeria monocytogenesis contamination? Correct answer is B. Unpasteurized dairy. Listeria is found in soft cheeses and other unpasteurized milk products. It can cross the placental barrier, making it especially dangerous during pregnancy. Next question. Which parasite causes sleeping sickness? Correct answer is B. Trypanosoma bruce. Trypanosoma bruce, transmitted by the Tsetse fly, causes a frequent trypanosomiasis or sleeping sickness. It invades the CNS, causing confusion, sleep disturbances, and coma. Next question. Hydrated cysts are associated with which parasite? Correct answer is A. Echinococcus granulus. This tapeworm causes hydrated disease, mainly affecting the liver and lungs. Humans become accidental hosts while ingesting eggs by dog feces. Next question. Which year was the National Rural Health Mission NRHM launched? Correct answer is B. 2005. NRHM was launched in 2005 to improve healthcare services in rural India, focusing on maternal and child health and reducing infant and maternal mortality. Next question. Which vaccine is used for the prevention of tetanus? Correct answer is C. TT. Tetanus toxoid TT vaccine stimulates the immune system to produce antibodies against the tetanus toxin. Next question. Tetanus is caused by which type of toxin? Correct answer is A. Neurotoxin. The neurotoxin tetanospasmin produced by Clostridium tetani blocks inhibitory neurotransmitters leading to muscle stiffness and spasms. Next question. Which factor is most commonly associated with the rise of non-communicable diseases? Correct answer is C. Unhealthy lifestyle choices. NCDs are largely preventable and associated with risk factors like poor diet, physical inactivity, smoking, and alcohol use. Next question. Which organization launched the Global Action Plan for the Prevention and Control of NCDs 2013 to 2020? Correct answer is B. WHO. The World Health Organization developed this plan to address NCDs through policy and health system strengthening globally. Next question. Which of the following is considered a modifiable risk factor for cardiovascular diseases? Correct answer is C. Smoking. Unlike age or family history, smoking is a behavior that can be changed significantly, reducing the risk of cardiovascular diseases. Next question. Which disease is commonly known as the silent killer? Correct answer is C. Hypertension. Hypertension often shows no early symptoms yet can cause severe complications like stroke, heart attack, and kidney damage. Next question. Which Indian state has the highest population density according to census 2011? Correct answer is D. Bihar. Bihar has the highest population density 1106 persons per square kilometer among the Indian states as per census 2011 data. Next question. What is the current total fertility rate TFR target under Indians population policy? Correct answer is C. 2.1. A TFR of 2.1 is considered the replacement level fertility rate and is the goal for population stabilization. Next question. Which age group is defined as the working age group in demographic terms? Correct answer is B. 15 to 59 years. The working age population is defined as individuals aged 15 to 59 who contribute to economic productivity. Next question. Which of the following statements about Indians' population trend is correct? Correct answer is C. India is experiencing an aging population. With increasing life expectancy and reduced fertility, India is slowly shifting towards an older demographic structure. Next question. What is the immediate objective of the National Population Policy 2000? Correct answer is B. Address unmet needs for contraception. The immediate goal is to provide access to contraception and health infrastructure to reduce unwanted pregnancies and maternal mortality. Next question. What is the long-term objective of the National Population Policy 2000? Correct answer is B. Population stabilization. The policy aims to stabilize population growth by achieving a replacement level fertility rate and improving health and education services. Next question. Under National Population Policy, by which year was the target set to achieve replacement level fertility? Correct answer is D. 2045. While the policy targeted a TFR of 2.1 by 2010, population stabilization is expected by 2045 due to demographic momentum. Next question. Which ministry is primarily responsible for implementing the National Population Policy 2000? Correct answer is C. Ministry of Health and Family Welfare. This ministry coordinates all activities and programs under the National Population Policy. Next question. Brucellosis is most commonly transmitted through. Correct answer is B. Unpasteurized milk. Brucellosis spreads through consumptions of unpasteurized dairy from infected animals, especially cattle and goats. Next question. Which of the following zoonosis is caused by a bacterial agent? Correct answer is B. Leptospirosis caused by the bacterium Leptospiria. It spreads through contact with water or soil contaminated with the urine of infected animals. Next question. Which disease is transmitted by rodents and considered a zoonosis? Correct answer is C. Plague. Plague caused by Yersinia pestis is transmitted to humans by fleas that infest rodents. Next question. Which of the following is not a zoonotic disease? Correct answer is D. Tetanus. Tetanus is not zoonotic. It is caused by Clostridium tetani spores found in soil, not transmitted from animals.